Alright guys, today we are organizing the fridge. I mean, it's not too terrible, but I just want to see if I can organize it a little bit better maybe. I was thinking of swapping these. Oh, sorry about that. Let me close the fridge real quick here. So I was thinking of swapping what's in here to here or something. We'll see. As you can see, we have our eggs here and usually all of our fruits and veggies. And I was thinking putting the veggies over there, but we will see. Yeah, I have some organizers out right here. Maybe we'll use them. We'll see, but I do just kind of want to organize it a little bit better and also refill the waters and just like wipe things down. I cleaned this out like not that long ago. I don't think I'm gonna do the freezer just because that's pretty clean. Like we tried to kind of keep things organized in there by what they are and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna focus mostly on this area. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't
I'm done organizing the fridge. And she's also nice and clean and shiny. Here it is. I'm doing an overview here. Ta-da! Okay, so over here we just have random condiments. And then the hot sauce, we only have 2. But this is also a weird area. Like, you can't really put anything there because of this. Juice boxes. Over here we have a bin of water. These are like protein milkshake things. And then I have the Lazy Susan here for these things. Easy to grab. You guys saw I just got this one recently. So there's that. These are snacks. We have a pop there for emergencies. Applesauce, or yeah, applesauce, right? That's what they're called. And then Danimals, Frillium, and then these are like that kind of stuff. I have some taco dip, and then these are the grapes. Fits in here perfectly. And then we have chicken to cook. I like to put that in a container like this, so in case it does like leak, then it's on something. This is a Tupperware full of cauliflower. Probably cook that later. I have this container thing. It fits juices like this. I know it's like kind of coming out here a little bit, but it works. So we have juices and then milk. I have a wine bottle back there. Some whipped cream, you know. Here we have the cheese. So I like that it's organized. We have yogurt here too, and some bagels, cream cheese. This has like meats and stuff, and some baking things here on the side. Okay, and then here we have this kind of stuff here with the butters, condiments, and then milk and creamers. So that's what's in the fridge. And I also, you guys saw it, organized this. Here we go. So I do like the strawberries here. Carrots are here. I like those in a Ziploc. I might put this in the Tupperware, to be honest. Zucchini, potatoes, salad, cabbage. This is some leftover apple slices. And yeah, that's pretty much that. I didn't do anything to our freezer. I think I told you guys before I wasn't really going to organize it because I feel like it's as organized as possible. I don't know. But that is it, you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will try and link things in the description box below. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Bye!